Alright, you guys, first off, I haven't been able to get my nails done yet, so don't come for me. Don't come for me.
This is me, I'm so royal, and you all wanna be round. Yeah, you all wanna be round. Round a champion, a champion. I got tons of soul on my true collectible. Famous, oh so famous, number one desirable. I do what I want, when I want, and how I want.
Welcome back to my channel, loves. This is Gigi's Tall Girl Closet, and I'm Gigi. And as you can see, today is going to be a wig review. I am going to be doing a full install. I'm going to glue her down, y'all. This is Geneva from OUTRE I Perfect Hairline, and I got her in the color DR2/chocolate swirl. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to be doing a really, I'm not going to say quick, it's going to be detailed, so it's not going to be quick, but I'm going to be doing the install on her. So if you're interested in seeing what she's going to be looking like on my head and the styles that I'm going to be coming up with her, just keep watching. Okay, so I have already cleaned the perimeter of my head with alcohol, and I haven't glued her down yet, but y'all know this is all I use now for glue, is this Kiss Almighty Bond. This Kiss Almighty Bond. I got it on eBay, but I think you can find it at your local beauty store. Don't sleep on this, y'all. This stuff is really good. It's better than Ghost Bond, in my opinion, and it's better than the other one, the one in the pink and white bottle. I can't think of the name of it, but I have both of them, and I still like this way better than them. So it's instant drying, seamless finish, and insanely strong. That's what it says on the bottle, and I am here to tell you all three of these are true. So this is what I'm going to adhere her down with. I'm going to manipulate my baby hairs with my Got To Be Glued spray. I haven't seen the lace, but if I'm not mistaken, this is the HD lace. So I have my Ebon New York tint lace spray in the color medium brown. I also have my knot sealer that I'm going to be using. I'm going to hook her up, y'all. Y'all don't miss this, and don't forget to subscribe too, for if you guys want to see other videos that I upload. I upload every Wednesday and Saturday. So I'm also going to be using my Got To Be I might not need this because I'm going to be gluing her down, so we'll see what happens. Got my scissors, so I'm hoping I got everything. I probably need to, I don't know, we'll see. But here we go.
I'm a little bit naughty, I'm a little bit too consumed, but every part of my body is telling me to run away from you. Come a little bit closer, yeah, yeah. Come a little bit closer, yeah. You're a little bit crazy. It's been days, but you never change. What's love got to do with it? He comes around, better knock that stuff down. Come a little bit closer, yeah, yeah. Come a little bit closer, yeah. So all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly, I'm too fly. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. You're a little bit selfish. You get mad every time you lose. You can't take me with you. I'm scared you're gonna blow your fuse. Come a little bit closer, yeah. I can really start over, yeah. In the back of my mind, there's someone waiting on me. You're just wasting my time because you're scared and lonely. Finally got some closure, yeah. I can finally start over, yeah. So all my treat them right. Put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly, I'm too fly. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. Here's to the memories. Cheers to who used to be. Your friend said that you left me. I'm glad that's what you believe. So all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly, I'm too fly. Oh, bye-bye, bye-bye. U-G-L-I, that's how you spell goodbye. U-G-L-I, you'll never see me cry. U-G-L-I, that's how you spell it. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye.
Okay, I'm gonna put one more coat. Just one more quick coat.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you, I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say let's convey. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. You do. Show me something, give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say let's convey. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. We've been dancing all night long, right here with you way too long. Don't want nothing here or now, but I'm done waiting, done wasting my time. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say let's convey. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Sweet talk, sweet
Too many things here, y'all, cause the color on the lace is acting up. And it's nothing that I'm doing, because, well, it's just nothing that I'm doing. And pull. It looks like okay, now I gotta fix the front. Got my lace and knot concealer here. I know y'all can see it. That line of demarcation there. I'm just trying to fix this. I don't know exactly how you're supposed to use this knot, lace and knot sealer, like if you're supposed to use it with a brush, but I'll find it better if you use it with your finger. I know that's kind of ghetto, y'all, but look, y'all can see how it's blended in seamlessly. Seamlessly, y'all. And it's only with this lace and knot sealer when you use it with your finger. When I've used it with brushes, oh my goodness, I love this color though, y'all. Oh, she's so beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna try to find some baby hairs in this thing, y'all. I wanna, it don't really need no baby hairs. I mean, y'all, I'm 46 years old. My baby hairs are grown. Now I saw one lady do this install and she just played with it and played with it and played with it till it started to tangle up on her and stuff. I'm not doing all that. I just applied her. I got her glued down. She ain't going nowhere. You know what? I'm just gonna remove just a little bit of this glue. I mean this lace here. She is so pretty. What do y'all think? Okay, this is actually her all the way to the front. So she's not that long. She's not that thick either. This is like all of her to the front. And like I always tell you guys, I'm 6'2". But this is where she falls on me. Right below my boobies. Okay, and this is her to the side. This is her to the back. Other side. Back to the front. Alright, this chocolate swirl, OUTRE I. Now, I don't know if y'all watch my other videos, but y'all know I don't wear a lot of browns because it made me look my age. I'm not ashamed to be 46. I just don't like to look it because I don't act it. But this chocolate swirl color is everything. It's so pretty. And the layers in her are just gorgeous. I love her. I like her better than the other one I just reviewed. Way, way better than the other one I just reviewed. But the sensational butter unit, I had to throw her away because she just kept tangling on me. And when I tried to brush her out, or maybe I'm not using the right kind of hair stuff, but when I kept trying to brush her out, she just got fluffy on me. I was really looking like Shaka Khan. She just kept getting fluffy, so I threw her out. But I think I will rock with this one. I'll rock with her. I'll roll with her. I'll rock with her. I'll roll with her. Okay, I'm going to keep this one on for a while because I glued her on. So I'm going to keep her on for a while. I guess I can put something in the part. I don't think I really need it. There we go. I put something in the part. I know it don't look like much, but I'm looking in the mirror here and she's perfect. She is just perfect. I wish I could have got her in different colors, but it's okay. And I wish I would have glued her down more. Yeah, I wish I would have glued her down more. Just on the side. But that's okay because I really wanted her glued in the top because that's where she starts to... well, that's where my lace units start to, like, you know, slide back. So I wanted her glued down in the top. I got her glued down. Alright, you guys, so this is going to conclude this video. I just wanted to do a quick video. Let you guys see Geneva. She is so pretty. She is so pretty. Let's see. And this is all of her to the front. She's not very long. I mean, not long. She's not very, like, thick. But she's pretty. I like her. I like her a lot. Alright, y'all. I'm going to get out of here. I want to thank you guys for watching. My camera is dying. It actually, this whole video took one whole battery charge. So let me get out of here. I want to thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what you think of Geneva. I think she is just absolutely stunning, especially this color D2 chocolate swirl. So it's dark rooted. Yeah, dark rooted number 2, and then goes to this chocolate color. So bye, y'all. I'm going to be back next week sometime with the clothing haul. I have 4 clothing hauls coming up. I'm just waiting for my other stuff to come in. But yeah, I think I'm going to get back into some clothes now because it's almost, well, it's not almost spring, but it will be spring soon. And I want to look good. I want to feel good. I don't want to think about 2020. I don't want to think about Corona. I just want to think about life and living it. So, again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in another one. Bye.